You were told the same lie I was. Work hard in school, get into college, get a degree, and you'll be set for life. But here's what nobody told you. The average college graduate in 2024 owes $37,000 in student debt and takes over 20 years to pay it off. That's not an investment. That's a mortgage on a house you can't live in. And the scariest part? Most people don't find out until it's already too late. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how education finance actually works, the traps hidden inside it, and the smart alternatives that the school system never, ever taught you. If you've ever signed a loan document without fully understanding it, this one's for you. Quick note before we dive in, I'm not here to tell you college is evil or that you wasted your money. What I am here to do is give you the financial literacy around education that should have been taught in school, but wasn't. Because understanding how student loans, tuition inflation, and return on investment actually work, that changes everything. All right, let's get into it. Drop me in the comments if you or someone you know is dealing with student debt right now. I read every single one. Here's a number that should make your jaw drop. Since 1980, the cost of college tuition has increased by over 200%. For context, housing went up about 400% in that same period, and healthcare about 600%. Tuition blew them both out of the water. But here's the real question nobody asks: why? The answer comes down to one thing: guaranteed federal loans. When the government promises to lend money to anyone who walks into a university, regardless of their major, their grades, or the job market, universities have zero incentive to keep costs down. More loan money available, they just raise tuition. It's a cycle, and students are the ones caught in the middle of it. And stick around. In Section 3, I'm going to show you the specific degree programs where the ROI is actually negative. You'll want to see this. Okay, let's talk about the loans themselves, because most 18-year-olds sign these documents having no idea what they're actually agreeing to. There are two main types: federal loans and private loans. Federal loans come from the government. They have fixed interest rates, income-driven repayment options, and in some cases, forgiveness programs. These are generally your better option. Private loans come from banks or lenders. They have variable interest rates, fewer protections, and zero forgiveness paths. These are where people get absolutely destroyed. Here's how the math works on a typical loan. Say you borrow $40,000 at a 6.5% interest rate over 10 years. Your monthly payment, around $454 a month. Total amount repaid,